morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. I'm not going to say it. Nope, not this week. Maybe next week. If you watch regularly, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, last night I was in France where I prepared a very simple dish, rich and creamy French shrimp. It was okay. Yeah, 4 stars out of 5. It was okay. I had that. Yeah, it was over egg noodles. I thought it would be better maybe if I kicked up the garlic and a few other things. I did not play with this recipe. Remember, recipes are guidelines. Yeah, so I'll put it up. Have fun with it. You play with it. All right, tonight we're at home. I saw this recipe and I'm like, I gotta make this. This looks really good. Tonight is grilled cheese with spinach and tomato, and it's ooey-gooey, according to the name of the recipe. It's got everything I like in it. It's something I love. All right, so let's get to it. And we're going to start with the flat top. You know I love my flat top. And I have a fry pan. This has to do with the spinach. So that's the hardware. The software, using brioche bread. It calls for a crusty French, but this is close enough to the French I can get. Plus I have it left over. Yeah, so brioche bread, extra virgin olive oil. I'll be replacing this bottle of balsamic vinegar with a bottle of balsamic glaze. Beefsteak tomato, mozzarella cheese, some salt for the tomato, some garlic, and I'm using Szechuan chili pepper flakes for the spinach. So here's the software for tonight's meal. Actually, I will be serving these beautiful ooey-gooey grilled cheese sandwiches with some of my mac salad. Robin says it's beautiful as a leftover because it gets to marry and do that whole, that whole thing. Yeah. All right. So on this Tuesday, visit your favorite taqueria. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.